Hi everyone, today I'm in Berlin, okay? The capital of Germany and the largest city in the country with about 3.7 million inhabitants. Well, as everyone knows, Berlin was deeply marked by a history of war, the post-Cold War era, the Berlin Wall, Reconstruction and reunification. Today, it's one of the most multicultural cities in Europe. There is a community with actually communities from all over the world. All right? So it mixes tradition and innovation, palaces and museums, alongside startups, co-working spaces, and major tech companies. Well, the cost of living in Berlin is more affordable than in other major European capitals, such as London and Paris, for example. Although in recent times, the cost of living here in Berlin has increased quite a bit. When it comes to IT opportunities, Berlin is a tech hub, okay, for Europe. So Berlin is truly home to thousands of innovative startups and many large established companies, right? Yeah, so you'll genuinely find almost everything here. For example, prominent companies like SAP, N26, Zalando, Delivery Hero, and Amazon are all based here, okay? English is widely accepted in information technology companies here in Berlin. Of course, German is the main language, but you can get a job with upper intermediate English. Well, so you'll find plenty of opportunities in cloud, cybersecurity, security, right? DevOps, full stack, data engineering, And for those individuals looking to work with various databases, you'll find many opportunities in established Oracle systems, in robust SQL Server environments, and in dynamic startups, you'll find lots of promising openings for skilled PostgreSQL and MySQL DBAs. All right? So what is valued? High availability environments are absolutely crucial for continuous operation, right? In SQL Server, in Oracle, for those working with PostgreSQL, Patroni is highly in demand, okay? So it's a very interesting city. Salaries range, from around 55,000 euros to 80,000 euros on average. But for senior professionals, you'll easily find salaries above 80,000 euros. All right, guys? So I recommend it if you're interested in coming to work here in Europe. It's a major capital. It's a big city where you'll find, side by side, both historic people, right? It's a very beautiful city, and you'll also find a lot of modernity, right? And often the buildings, one right next to the other. You'll find both of these characteristics, okay? So take a really good look around, because you will certainly find a great many available job openings for database administrators, security technicians, and development professionals. All right? Foreigners English, okay? English is very important here in Germany as well. So if you speak English, you'll be able to find jobs here. All right, guys? So just a little extra information. I have a very interesting course for DBA training with over 1,200 hours, where you'll learn in depth how to work with all the databases, okay? The main databases, SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and I just launched a module for PostgreSQL as well, where I'll teach you how to set up a high availability environment with PostgreSQL using Patroni technology. All right, guys? In addition to Data Warehouse anyway, it's a very comprehensive course, and I'm already preparing. Actually, I'm launching this course with subtitles in English, French, and Spanish as well. All right? So that's it. Take care and God bless.